Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
You're listening to DJ Royalty ATL.
All right, we're going to jump right into it. All right, guys, so this is the unboxing of the Prox xs-sx1k2u. It has it's the LED. It comes with the LED light, and it's a black on black DJ controller that is compatible with the DDJ 1000 SRT or by Pioneer, or also the XX3 by Pioneer. 2U rack rail, and also laptop shelf. And get this, it comes with the wheels, and as you see, it has 3 handles on it and 4 lock latches. So that beats my last case that only had 2 lock latches. And I mean, it's, if you look at it, it's a tank, man. I mean, it's very sturdy. The finish on it looks amazing. And now they actually have a sticker on it that says the exact, make, model, if you are interested in buying. But I also make sure I'll put that in the description for you guys. So they got the 2 latches right there on the back end side, 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side. Where I'm saying that is the back side, so it's 2 there and 2 there, which is 4, of course. And it's very important to open them up all the way in order for you to take it off seamlessly. Now on the inside, this is how it actually came. That's why this is an unboxing. So it's kind of, it looks dirty, but it's not dirty. That's through the manufacturer. You just take a little shop vac and clean it out. And it comes with that remote control, and then also extra foam in case you want to organize it in a certain way or modify it for yourself. Which I have a modified video of part 2 of this. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be in the description as well, in the bottom. And so as you guys can tell, this is the LED strip that comes with it. And the great thing about it is it's USB power. It does not require batteries. Now, the remote in itself, of course, requires a battery, but all right, guys, like I said, this workstation comes ready to play, and if you guys want to modify, check out my second video for the modifications.